Hello friends. Today, we have a very contrasting story of two different people with very similar health profiles, who started on the carnivore diet with the goal of improving upon the chronic health issues including diabetes and blood pressure, and enhancement in their overall health markers. And you know what happened after the first 30 days? Our first participant, who followed the exclusive path, stealing the secrets out of the top carnivore influencers playbook, including Dr. Ken Berry, Dr. Shawn Baker, and Carrie Mann, got some really unexpected and extraordinary results, with betterment in all the key health markers and a remarkable reduction of 30 pounds in body weight. While the second participant took a totally different route, trying to figure out the correct path himself, kept almost struggling the entire time, facing issues like digestive problems including loose stools, not being able to identify the proper meal plan, and almost failing to figure out the right fat to protein ratio. Plus, he was stepping multiple times on the scale each day in despair, badly hoping to see some weight loss. Now, based on these two experiences, the question here arises, what is that something about the carnivore diet that the experts know and others simply don't? What is it that makes such a significant difference in the outcome of the entire carnivore journey? Well, we're about to disclose that something in the next few minutes as we uncover all those pro secrets which would propel your carnivore journey onto the fast lane towards the desired health and wellness results. Meanwhile, do yourself a little favor by subscribing to our channel and become a proud member of our exclusive carnivore community. So friends, the first pro tip for ultimate carnivore results addresses one of the most common issues which all the carnivores face at start, the digestive problems. Now, these digestive issues can range from constipation to loose stools, and can be a real hindrance to those kicking off on their carnivore journey. But there is no need to bother anymore on this. There are some smart ways to tackle these problems swiftly. Firstly, let's talk about constipation. This is a common issue when starting a carnivore diet, and it's often due to a sudden increase in meat and fat consumption. Our bodies need time to adjust to this new way of eating. The trick here is to moderate your fat intake. You see, too much fat can actually slow down digestion, leading to constipation. So, try to balance your meals with a good amount of protein and gradually increase your fat intake as your body adapts. On the other hand, loose stools can also be an annoying concern for a lot of carnivore starters. According to Dr. Tony Hampton, starting a carnivore diet can lead to loose stools as your gut microbiome adjusts to the new influx of protein and fat. And to resolve this, adding up cheese to your meals helps a lot. It offers a concentrated source of fat, which stimulates the release of cholecystokinin, CCK, which is a hormone that promotes gut motility and helps solidify stool in such situations. Now, the key thing to avert these digestive issues is to start gradually. Increase your fat intake incrementally as you adapt to the carnivore diet. Begin with moderate fat sources like fatty cuts of meat and fish, and gradually incorporate additional fat sources like eggs, butter, or ghee if it suits your taste buds. Plus, adequate hydration and electrolyte balance is also very crucial in this aspect. Keep yourself well hydrated throughout the day, and don't let your electrolytes go off track. And friends, if you're watching the video till now, it means you are really serious about your well-being and health results. Stay with us for more crucial tips to fast-track your carnivore success to the next level. Moving on to our second pro tip for rapid carnivore results: overcoming carbs and sugar cravings. You know that relentless itch for something sweet? That's your body's way of saying, hey, I need energy. But here's the truth. It doesn't necessarily mean you need carbs or sugar in this scenario. When you're on the carnivore diet, your body learns to derive energy from different sources, primarily proteins and fats. So, the first step to curb sugar cravings is to ensure you're getting adequate nutrition. Now, how do you ensure that? By eating enough meat. Meat is packed with proteins and essential nutrients that not only keep you satiated, but also fuel your body. And don't just stick to muscle meat. Organ meats like liver, heart, and kidney are powerhouses of nutrition. They are full of vitamins and minerals which ensure your body gets the nourishment it needs. Next up, hydration. The importance of staying hydrated cannot be stressed enough. According to Dr. Berry, it aids digestion, keeps your skin healthy, and more importantly, fends off cravings. Finally, you have to push the pedal on fats. They are extremely crucial in the entire carnivore game. When you consume sufficient fat, your body gets a steady supply of energy, curbing the need for a quick energy fix that sugar and carbs provides. Fats also keep you feeling full for longer, reducing the chances of snacking between meals. And what has been your experience on the carnivore diet regarding this scenario? Do share the highlights of your journey with us. And now, moving to the final 3 pro tips for healthy and sustainable carnivore results. It's not as simple as it sounds. The third expert tip is all about planning your meals, that is. Planning your meals is not just about knowing what you will eat, but it's also about ensuring you have the right ingredients readily available. Let's start with a comprehensive 7-day meal plan. This isn't just a list of things to eat, but a guide to help you structure your meals throughout the week. You might have heard the saying, failing to plan is planning to fail. This couldn't be more accurate when it comes to the carnivore diet. Day 1 might be a steak day, day 2 could be a day for organ meats, day 3 for fish, and so on. Having a variety of meats in your diet ensures that you're getting a wide range of nutrients. Now, on to stocking up. You don't want to be in a situation where you're hungry and there's nothing appropriate to eat. That's a recipe for disaster. Always ensure that you have enough meat items in your fridge or freezer. This not only makes it easier for you to stick to your diet plan, but also helps you save money. Buying in bulk often costs less, and you won't need to make frequent trips to the grocery store. Take some time each week to plan your meals. Write it down, whether it's in a notebook, on your phone, or even a sticky note on the fridge. Then, make a list of the meat items you need for the week, and stock up. The key is to make it as easy as possible to follow through with your plan. In the words of Dr. Shawn Baker, success is the sum of small efforts, repeated day in and day out. Planning your meals might seem like a small effort, but it's one that will pay off big time in the long run. So do you have a well-defined meal plan or how you take it all along? Do tell us. Moving on. The fourth expert tip encourages a shift in perspective, replacing scale obsession with progress photos. Often we're tempted to step on the scale every day hoping to see that number drop. But the scale, my friends, is not always an accurate measure of your progress. Our body weight can fluctuate due to a variety of factors, including water retention, muscle gain, and even the time of day. Therefore, obsessing over these numbers can lead to unnecessary stress and can potentially derail your progress on the carnivore journey. Instead, let's talk about a more reliable and holistic approach to tracking your progress: regular progress photos. Pictures are an excellent way to document your journey, showcasing not just weight loss, but other improvements in your body and health. They serve as visual proof of how far you've come, capturing the subtle changes that you might otherwise overlook. Visualize this in your mind. You've been on the carnivore diet for a few weeks now. You step on the scale and the number hasn't changed much. You feel disheartened. But then, you look at your progress photos and you see it. Your posture has improved, your skin is glowing, and you look leaner and fitter. That's the real progress, isn't it? Progress photos also give you the opportunity to appreciate your body at every stage of your journey. Every photo is a celebration of your commitment to your health and your dedication to the carnivore lifestyle. They remind you of your strength and resilience and the incredible journey you're on. Take photos from different angles and don't shy away from full-body shots. In simple words, while the scale gives you a number, progress photos tell you a story of your entire journey. Reaching the top of our exclusive pro tips. The final expert tip is for the more seasoned carnivores, adjusting fat-to-protein ratios and meal frequency. As you move deeper into your carnivore journey, understanding and tweaking these ratios can significantly enhance your health benefits and results. In Dr. Ken Berry's words, think of your body as an engine that thrives on 2 fuels, proteins and fats. Proteins are the building blocks, while fats are your body's premium fuel. The key is to strike a balance that fulfills your individual body needs. Top influencers suggest starting with a ratio of 2 parts fat to 1 part protein. You may need to adjust this ratio based on your body's responses and energy needs. As for meal frequency, there's no hard and fast rule. Some prefer 2 large meals a day, while some pros eventually move to 1 meal a day. But one thing is pretty certain. Adjusting your fat-protein ratio and meal frequency can significantly enhance your carnivore diet experience. So, friends, we've unveiled the top 5 pro tips. All top influencers and experts covertly practice for fast and durable carnivore results. Now it's your turn to play a part for our carnivore community. Your thoughts, your experiences, your journey, they matter a lot. Share your story, your successes, your struggles, your victories. And if you want more of such informative and useful content regarding your health and well-being, do press the subscribe button now. And if you found value in this video, show us some love. Hit that like button. Better yet, Share it with your friends, your family, anyone who you think could benefit from it. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring.